Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to create a new account in Township. So the method that I will use to achieve this in this video will be very simple. We're basically going to erase our previous account from our game by basically deleting all the information inside of our game's application, and then after doing that you can just basically log in, create a new account, and have all the brand new progress in the game. So first of all, what you need to do, go to your settings in your phone, go to the applications section. As you can see, I have a search bar on top, and then just type in Township, go into our game. This is going to be our game settings, and here basically what you need to do, you just go to clear data and then just press clear all data, and this will basically erase all the information and all of your in-game progress so that you can create the brand new account with new progress. And this isn't it. The second thing we will do, we will erase the previous Township, and we will go and we will type in play services, and in here you need to do basically the same. So go to clear data, then go to manage space, and here press clear all data, and after doing this you will basically have a new game progress when you log in into the game. And now when you log back in again, you will have all the brand new progress in your Township game. Thank you for watching this tutorial, guys. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.